Hi guys, it's Samantha with Chrissy's Serenity here in Haymarket. I'm going to show you guys how to do some beach waves today. So you're going to take it little sections at a time. Clip it out of the way. And you want to make sure you're using a heat protectant or you're going to end up like that girl off YouTube where your hair burns off. So you want to spray it. Just a little bit. And then brush it through. Take the section in half. Make each curl go a different way. And then take this one and go the opposite. They'll look like spiral curls at first, but then at the end, you'll go through and pick them all apart.
Put it right there now.
I'm just going to get a different angle.
Each section you want to make sure this one went backwards, so you're going to make this one go forward. If you don't have a curling iron that does this, you want to just take a normal sized one and just wrap it around with your fingers. So now I'm kind of just brushing through the curls a little bit. Brush from the bottom to the top, makes it so it doesn't knot up. And then you can take just a little bit of a serum. We have the Kenra Silkening Gloss. Brush really good. Just kind of run your fingers through it. You have a nice beachy wave. Thank you.